I'm absolutely thrilled now to be going live with Richard Bradbury, the other branch vice president of the Open University UCU branch. Richard, can you hear me?
There we go. I'm there.
I can hear you. Can you hear us?
Yeah, I can. This has been fantastic this morning. Yay, 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 yay. Good
Richard!
morning, everybody. Okay, so
so
my circumstances mean that I can't get to a picket line this morning, so I'm going to do it from home. So everybody's familiar with this. This is where I work usually, but not today. So not only are we picketing in here, we're going to go and picket outside as well. So you'll have to hang on for a moment while I put my hat on.
just a style icon.
And of course, you have to picket at your workplace. So I'm going to picket at my workplace. We're going out here. And when you're on picket duty, whoops, hang on a minute.
This plant cam from Exeter, outstanding. I'm a little bit nervous. Are you guys nervous?
I'm nervous.
Yeah. Supervisor vest on.
Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness.
And then you have to make sure your picket line's in place. And it is absolutely tipping down in the West Country.
Oh, look.
So this is my picket line. And to finish off, I have two things, little things to say. One, solidarity with everybody on strike in this country today in support of higher and further education. But also solidarity with 48,000 graduate students in strike in California, with the graduate students on strike in Australia, and also solidarity with the teachers' union strike in Sudan today as well. Thank you very much, comrades. Have a good day.